My name is Doyon Geoffrey. I am the manager of Boma Ikologia regeneration in Kanyerus. When we started this project back in 2021, when we came to meet with the community, we found out that I with other friends, we share common objectives. Our community, because this is our home, where I come from, we restore this community because of the diverse trees that are here, the kind of landscape we have here, and it's getting degraded. So this place need to be restored. We engaged 3 groups of this community: the youth, which we engaged them to deal with the tree nursery, to propagate seedlings, the indigenous seedlings of this place, and also women. We engage women to come up with kitchen gardens and also poultry. The men, the old men, we engage them on pasture propagation and also beekeeping. In our community, there is what we call division of labor. So we based on that we divide labor according to what they love doing. In this sub-location, we do have 17 villages, and we recruited 5 TOTs, and we divided the villages to those 5 TOTs. We got 3 women from every village. So 3 women from every village will amount to around 52. And we were able to train the TOTs, and it has really worked very much. It has really changed lives of women in this community. For those ones who have engaged with them, they have really told us that their lives in their homes have changed, in that they do have now vegetables. They have knowledge of how they can deal with the dry season. During the dry season, they know how they can maintain to have the vegetables in their farms, because we use several techniques that like the half moons. Now these banana circles and different ways of making sure that we conserve water in the soil. The men also, when they started doing the pasture propagation, the movement of their cattle from one place to the other, as you can see, they learn that land enclosure, it can save a lot of pasture. So when it comes to dry season, they will not have to move from here to Uganda or any other place with their cattle looking for pasture. Now that most of the places here, the land demarcation has started and private land ownership, so there is no place to migrate with their cattle. So it has also brought a lot of impact in the society for them to learn about land enclosure, holistic grazing systems. That one is working very well. Also, on the other side, the men also have learned that when we give them some beehives, took them for training on beekeeping, they learned that when they do charcoal burning, they will not harvest enough honey. So they are now doing away with charcoal burning and embrace beekeeping as an alternative way of earning income. So if we can get more funds, donations, we can be able to engage more people. You can imagine, we can engage 3 women in every village, and then men is like we engage like 2 or 1 from every village. So it's not a lot, but with the little we have done, we have seen a lot of changes. What if now we can get enough funds as we wish? It will bring a lot of change in this place. We have also learned that there is this issue of gullies. There's a lot of gullies in this place because of the land is bare. There's a lot of overgrazing. So it brings about
erosion, rain just like
breaks the soil. So that's now a bigger problem. There's a lot of land that's wasted. We need to reclaim that land. We need to do more about civic education to people to understand on what they can do to prevent this kind of erosion. Yes, thank you.